going on, guys? Welcome to spooky season part 3 with Libolt Adventures. This place is pretty cool. Looks like we got a full house right there, probably full of spirits, and it looks like a barn, a couple of barns maybe, right?
Yeah.
Looks like there's one over there, one over here, and then the house. So we're gonna get to explore in this baby. This actually might be a little bit dangerous. Is it Snapchat time? Stay, yes.
This is where you fall through the floor, dude.
Yeah. Still not sure how to get into this door. Yeah.
It's not too abandoned. At 1998 here. This ceiling. Sketch.
This is a big house, dude.
Mm-hmm. You know what we forgot again?
What's that?
Masks.
Every time. I want to get to that room over there, but I'm a little nervous about it. I got to start wearing boots coming into this type of place, dude.
Can I go to the basement?
I want to go to that room.
Making a break.
Yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna go through the floor making this bridge. I've seen enough.
Dude, the entire floor just shook when you moved.
Think this is a bad idea?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. I don't really know why this would help. Whoa. Dang, dude. You coming in here?
Mm-hmm. Stay where you're standing, man. Vacuum. Just a baby's prayer at twilight.
Yo,
Oh, dude, straight up poop.
no wonder why it stinks in here. Man, I almost laid down on that.
It's a dead animal.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Where? I thought you were picking it up.
I did.
What? Can you put the dead thing down? That's disgusting. You're a disgusting human being.
Oh, it stinks.
Really? The dead animal stinks? This is...
Something moving over here. Oh, there's something moving over here.
I don't really know the best way to use one of these as a weapon. Hey, I got an old record player up here too, or back here. I'm going upstairs. Are you in here? Dude.
Oh man, I thought this was just a piece of glass in my foot. I thought this was just...
You said you were going outside. I heard moving, and I thought the house was slowly collapsing.
Whatever, dude.
Thanks. There's an animal tail or something right here.
It stinks so bad up here.
Can you slow down?
Dude, this is a bad idea.
We're already up here, man. We may as well keep going.
That's
Dude,
so gross.
That is so full of water, and that's not collapsing. Like, that's a lot of weight
what's-
right there.
That's an extra 175 pounds.
300.
What's an extra 350? These are also broken. Gross.
Hey, you hold that. Okay. Can I have that?
Nope.
Okay.
Opening that up for me?
Dude, again?
I'll come down
I
here first.
always have to do this stuff.
Dude, I don't want to see it.
All right. I don't need help.
I don't want to be that.
Yeah, me too. It's empty, dude. Because whatever was in there is rotted away, I think. You ever wonder if there's bats down in places like this?
It's not until you say anything.
More dinner plates like we found at that other house.
Nice. Thought I heard somebody whispering.
You know, every time we come to a place like this, you tell me to shh 3 or 4 times and it's never anything.
Not to you. Do you hear that?
No.
You seriously don't hear that?
Currently?
No, it's a bird. We're good.
Man. You are not going to do well at a... What the...
What was it?
Nothing. I don't know. Dude, that scared me. Oh yeah, I picked the wrong... Ow! Wait. way to come out of here. All right, so this looks like it was a garage sale, right?
Yeah.
This is weird because there's like a lot in here, but it doesn't seem like there's a lot to see.
Mm-hmm. A lot of junk.
Ham's beer. Dang, dude. How is this not? This is not a tractor.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
How has this not gone through the floor? Is this our house? Dude, is this though? Like,
I don't know. It's hard to say, but that's what white people like to do.
especially back in the 1800s. Right?
1998.
1800s? That's what looks like a plantation.
Oof, you could climb this.
But why climb when there's a ladder?
Staying all the way up.
That's what I want to try to do.
Huh?
That's what I want to try to do.
That.
Oh, you mean, yeah, from these rungs right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe not. This ladder is really old. Oh, that's not super stable. I'm like kind of scared to step on stuff. It's really echoey in here.
Isn't this like, can't this suck you in? You know what I'm talking about?
What the f was that?
I don't know. Whoa.
Dude, I just heard something. And unless you were moving out there and I couldn't see you, huh?